Hey there! In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to use our Timberline Vanity Configurator. It's very easy to use, and it's an easy way to design your vanity to preview options as you go. Doesn't matter if you're browsing for ideas or getting ready to place an order, it's really going to help you see exactly what you're getting. Let's take a look. First off, how to get there. On our website, you're going to notice this button up the top here for Vanity Configurator. It should be visible all the time, and if you click that, it's going to open up the configurator. You're going to start off here on the product page. You'll notice it's split into two sections, so we've got our furniture collection products at the top, and then down below we've got the stock collection products. So you just find one that you want to configure or design, so we'll start here with the Natick, for instance. Once you've opened up the actual product configurator, you'll see on the left here you have the picture of what it's looking like so far, and on the right you'll see a scroll panel of all of the different options you can pick. Starts off at the top here with size and configuration. There's a couple different depth options, so if you want a shallower cabinet, you can do that here, 18-inch, or you can do the standard 21. Gives you below that all the width and configuration options, you'll notice for all the different sizes, as well as if you want a left or a right hand, that's noted here as well. Right below that we have the mount, so some of our vanities are available, the same vanity but on legs or as a wall hung option, so you'll be able to see that here. You'll notice on the leg option you can cycle through the different styles and also change the color here. This will also change if you're changing the hardware color later on. Below the mount options we've got the color options, so this one here is available in paint colors, so you can click through and see what the different paint colors look like on that. And then handle. So some of the handles have some different size options, so you can get a bigger version of it. You can change the finish color. You'll notice it changes the legs as well. You can select knobs. There's an option down here for no hardware at the bottom, so if you have your own hardware that you want to use, you can select that. Next up is countertop. So there's two sections for countertop. There's the silk surface and the quartz. The silk surface is our own product, and then the quartz is the Cambria brand. You can select the different colors to see what you like. There's an option as well for no countertops if you want your own countertops or you have something custom going on. And then if you want to add an upgrade backsplash or side splash as well, you can do that. On the side splash, you can select a different quantity. It won't change the image, but these are reversible, so you can use them either side if you want a side splash on both. Faucet holes, you can go through and select between no faucet holes or a widespread 3 faucet holes. And then the last section is for upgrades. This one's got a lot of cool features in it, so if you know you're going to need a filler, under cabinet lighting, you could select this walnut drawer here. You'll notice it says quantity 3 because there's 3 drawers, that's automatic. If you want to do some more custom things, some of these you might want to select on here and then still get some custom drawings from us, but at least gives you a start, so you can get the SKU and the price. And then this one here, the increased cabinet. If I know right here I've got a 36-inch cabinet, but say I'm actually needing a 39, I could just put a note in here. Note needs to be 39-inch, and that will be pulled across onto the summary page in the tear sheet. So if I want to note that for my store, for my customer, for my designer, I can do that. This also automatically selects adding the quartz top as well, so it'll also be the custom size. There's an option here for upgrading paint colors to any Sherwin-Williams or Benjamin Moore color, so you can type that color in here as well if you want. Once I've selected everything I want, I can also use these quick links here. For instance, if I know I want to change the handle, I can just click on handle and it'll take me straight there. So if I want to go back to a gold square pull. Once I'm done, I can go to the summary view here. So this is going to give me an overview of everything I picked, all the SKUs and prices. And at the bottom of that, there's two options. You can share this. So if I want to email this to someone, or if I want to just copy the link to text it to someone or to save the link, I can do that. The other thing that's really useful is this tear sheet. I'm going to download the tear sheet, and it's going to pull open here in a new tab. So you can see I've got the picture of what I rendered or what I selected. It's got the kind of a mood board look here. So this is the paint color I picked and the countertop I picked. It's got a link to that configuration. So if I want to send this PDF to someone, they can open that link and it's going to take them right back to the exact same thing I had. And then below it's got all of our SKUs and pricing for all of the things I selected. You'll notice under the upgrade section here, it's got the note that I misspelled here, as well as it's going to pull onto the bottom the technical drawings. So if I need this for my plumber, I can send him this and it's got the technical drawings already attached as well. The other thing that's really neat is once I'm done in this, if I like this but I'm just not quite happy with, I like the color but I'm not quite happy with the vanity style, if I go back here to change model, you'll notice here it says that you've already picked some options and we'll carry over that choice. It's recognized that I've already selected some things, and so now if I pick a different style of cabinet, it's going to automatically apply those same selections to that cabinet. So you'll notice all these ones with the green tag here are going to be able to fit exactly the same. So I can click on the Brompton and see it's got the same legs, the same hardware, same paint color, same size. If I'm not happy with that and I just want to go back to defaults, there's this restore button here. I can do that, and then also if I go back to change model and I don't want to see that, I just want to clear everything back to normal, I can just clear selections and it all goes away. So that's kind of an overview of how it works. Hope you found it useful, and if you have any questions on anything or want to know where anything else is or how it works, just feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email, and we'd be happy to help. Thank you.